maneuvering.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna be using the tire machine today.
I will be doing it.
We got these tires. My old tires. I pulled off these rims. Put on here. Yes.
Guys, the first step. You gotta let the air and take your little lug nuts off. Debeat it. Yes, debeat it. The bead. Kind of scary. It makes a loud pop. Next, you poke it. Put it on this little thing. Little pedal. Push it. Nothing on it. What the heck? I did that heck of times. They're like, okay, push the pedal. And I'm like, okay. What is this? Like tree sap. Take your lubricants. Paint it. Your little brush. You gotta butter it up. It looks like garlic and butter this. Looks good. Put your brush in the buckets. Get some more lubricants. Yeah, and then you put it on. I would like to do that.
Well, I am doing it.
Oh, okay. That's okay. Brush it on. You do both sides? Or just one?
Both sides.
Oh, both sides.
I already did the other side.
Oh, yes. Okay. Put it on. You wish just to film it. I was trying to do another transition, but I think one is probably good. So you're gonna take your thing. You're gonna do that. Give it a nice spin.
I really probably should have spent that other $1,500 and got a balancer, but I did not.
It's fine.
These tires are nice, quiet.
Yes, they are.
Be nice to have a balance, but it is okay.
It's the best. We got the food.
We got food and Hot Wheels from Fred Meyer.
Yeah.
So that is nice. There's a homeless man begging for money. And he gets
the best paying job.
And he gets nothing from me.
No, not today, sir. Got the vlog camera.
On camera.
That's a good idea. train is leaving. Yeah, there's heck of snow on them and ice. It's a very snowy day today. They did not plow the roads because there's nobody wanted to, I guess. So
I wonder how the freeways will be.
yeah, but probably messed up. We're on the freeway. It's a snowcalypse. Everybody is out driving. Oh. Come on, Subaru. You can do it. It's very slushy. Where'd he go? He's right there. Sheesh. Why is it sweet?
And it needs brakes. That's nice.
That's nice.
Very nice. You got matching wheels.
The fish died, the turtle ate the fish.
Transmissions together. It's a nice seal job.